The steering box or steering gear is a crucial part of your truck's steering system. And when yours is faulty or malfunctioning, it can be a major issue when trying to get down the road. So if you've been experiencing signs of steering box failure like steering wheel pull or leaking fluid, stick around because we'll show you how to regain control over your truck. Oftentimes, steering boxes show signs of age or damage and leak fluid or have loose output shafts. Not only can steering box issues compromise drivability, but can also damage other components in the front end if left in a state of disrepair. Replace the damaged steering box in your truck with a direct fit replacement from RedHead Steering Gears. Armed with the knowledge of over 40 years of experience, RedHead steering boxes are remanufactured with high-quality materials and designed to be an upgrade over the stock unit. Now that we've got our truck set up with a fresh steering box, we're ready to hit the road. Find out more about what RedHead Steering Gears can do for your truck and get the parts you need for your steering system at xdp.com today.